Nakita nyo naman yung first quarter, lamang kami, and then second quarter nakabalik yung Perpetual. I just told the boys during the halftime na just have to stay composed offensively, defensively, and then baka maka-pull away tayo. And then yun, nangyari naman, nakinig naman sila dun sa game plan. And then we pulled away, then we controlled the fourth quarter.
Entering the finals, parang there were people saying na you're coming in as underdogs. So,
Yeah.
yun ba yung mindset yun?
Isa rin yun, kasi nga, hindi lang naman si Andy Gimo yung nawala sa amin, halos kalahati rin ng last year season 98 na lineup na wala sa amin. So talagang they count us out. I guess we're fifth dun sa survey. So isa yun sa motivation namin na, ipakita natin na kahit Andy is out and other players are out, maitawid natin.
Coach, in the past games yung Perpetua, sa third quarter sila lumalayo sa mga opponents nila. And we've seen their ability to combat sa big deficits. How did you guys parang make sure lang na hindi na magagawa this time around against?
Scout talaga namin yung personnels nila. Makita nyo naman yung Big 3 or Big 4, Pagulayan, Asido, Goho Cruz, at saka Daep. Talagang sila yung heart and soul ng team. So we're just trying to limit them, defend them well. So malaki yung chances natin na, manalo.
Speaking of heart and soul, si Titing Mananili, talagang came up with huge. So, ano yun?
Actually, hindi ko na rin napansin yung scoring output niya. Ang napansin ko sa kanya yung, naboblow siya sa depensa. So, yun lang. Siyempre, may fatigue factor na rin. But ako naman, I'm just trying to push the boys. Yun lang naman. So, siyempre sa amin, at the end of the day, it's business to us.
Coach, this time last year, na-clinch niyo yung championship in Province. What would it take for your team po para next year?
Siyempre, yung preparation, we need to, check the videos, what went wrong, what went good. So from there, we'll make adjustments, and then yun. Siyempre may unfinished business pa tayo, but siyempre with due respect to the Perpetual, they are the number one team. They are taller than us. Statistics wise, lahat sila mataas. So isa yun sa motivation namin to defend them well.
Ano lang pong message niyo sa team niyo mismo para hindi masyadong tumaas after this win?
Sa amin, it's just game 1. So, like I've said like what I've said last year, it's all about how you play the game. Okay, don't take the results. Kasi sa akin kung ano yung personality niyo, yung character, that defines you hindi lang yung how you shoot, how you pass the ball, Sa akin kung ano kayo dun sa loob ng court, it matters how I help you going to the next level.
Coach, limited si Amel sa 10 points lang. Was that crucial for this?
Oo naman. Kasi based on the stats is, mababa kay Asido, 20 to 30 points per game. So, a big factor to us yun.
Bang may conscious effort talaga to stop him?
Exactly.
Talaga bang